And as we come on the air tonight, Hurricane Matthew making landfall along Florida's coast. How Texas is lending a helping hand straight ahead.
And our weather forecast is not the weather story of the country, but it will change. We're looking for cool to wet weather on Friday, 70s for the weekend, and then warmer again next week. We'll talk about your weather coming up.
Live with
And turning now to our Fox 20 forecast, before we get to our actual forecast, Horace, I think West Texas needs to realize how rare and how intense this storm is going to be.
It's a special storm. I mean, it's dangerous. I mean, very dangerous, but it is very unique in the fact that it could take a U-turn and come right back after delivering a big punch. Hurricane warning still in place, and this is going to be until Sunday morning. There's what's happening right now. You can see the rain band stretching across parts of Florida. Of course, the hurricane speeds right now, this is the last report of 130 mile per hour winds. It is moving off to the northwest at 13. It is a Category 4 hurricane right now. Here's a closer look. Look at all the water just moving on. The rain bands, eye of the storm is starting to develop, and as that does, it will weaken some, but it is still going to be a nasty storm. Now, back here at home, we experience some warm weather, temperatures in the 90s, well above average, but tomorrow, it all changes. I can just take this forecast, ball it up, throw it over my shoulder, because 70 degrees, midnight, 60 in the morning, 56 by noon tomorrow, and rain showers and windy conditions to boot. We're going to talk more about your forecast coming up.
Horace Brown on Fox 24 News, first at 9.
Well, we had a pretty nice day today. Temperatures were a lot warmer than the average for this time of the year. We should be in the 80s, but it's always nice to see pictures like this. This is from Bruce again. He sent us another one. He sent us a picture of butterflies and now flowers peeking through the fence there. Plenty of nice high clouds in place. This is what we need, folks. We need more pictures from you. hbrown@kmid.tv. That's where I need you to send them. And they're there on Fox and on our sister station too. So don't even worry about it. You'll get a couple of actually 3 airings of the picture. 93 our high for today, 81 the normal, 96 the records, 3 degrees shy of making a record today, or at least tying it. And then of course we started the morning off at 71. Not going to be the same start tomorrow, even though we're still looking to say highs in the 70s tomorrow. That's going to occur at about midnight, and then things will get much cooler throughout the day. 82 right now, dew point 64, humidity at 54%, south winds now at 11. We're not looking at the southwesterly flow, we're looking at a south wind, and that's helping to bring the moisture our way. Temperatures in the 80s and 70s, starting to see a few cooler 60s on the way, but the cold front's not here yet. Wind speeds also, again, out of the south and southeast, bringing the moisture on board so that when that cold front arrives, it will have something to work with. It provides lift, but it needs moisture to lift, so hopefully we'll get that in place. 20 mile per hour wind gusts, peak gusts 31 in the Guadalupe Pass today, 39, I'm sorry, in the Guadalupe Pass. But now they have a high wind warning because winds could be a lot stronger with the cold front, and this is going to be until Friday at 1 p.m. That's when that will end, Mountain Time, 2 p.m. our Central Time. Wind speeds, of course, light now, but look at the hour-by-hour forecast. Here comes the cold front, and notice the numbers change into the 20s. As the cold front slides through, the numbers really pick up there, but start to lessen around the northern and central basin. So windy conditions are part of your forecast. A little bit of rain because moisture's on the rise, humidity levels in the 50s, and we're already starting to see a little bit of wet weather get into the forecast. Cloud cover building. Did see a storm earlier around Pecos and Brewster County, Terrell County too. That storm has died out. Some energy tried to develop along the northeastern edge, but for the most part, here comes the cold front. It looks like pretty light rain showers. It's not going to be anything severe or heavy, but showers nonetheless, and that could pose a problem for you along with the winds and the cooler temperatures. The combination of all of that could make for kind of a messy day if you got outdoor events planned. Highs in the 60s. No, these are not the lows. These are the high temperatures for tomorrow. And I'm telling you, it is not going to feel like any of these numbers that I'm showing you right now. 65 for Midland, Odessa, 67 Grand Falls. We may get up there later on around game time, before game time, and then things will cool off. So it is going to be a very chilly Friday night football for you, so make sure you bundle up. Temperatures in the mountains, going to see 50s. The good news for Peter Terpster, who just entered the building, it is going to be cool for the football games, but I don't think we're going to have any showers for it, so that is good news. But 73 on Saturday, could have some lingering storms out west Saturday, 79 Sunday, and then for Columbus Day Monday, 84, and then warmer after that.
Kind of want to take advantage of tomorrow. It's going to be feeling really fall-like for once.
It is. It's going to be a little windy, though, especially around between 9 and, say, 1 o'clock, 1 p.m.
Skirt alert.
Skirt alert.
Skirt alert. Pants tomorrow.
Hairpiece alert. Whatever you got that can be blown off.
Obviously. Thanks, Horace.
There you go.
Fox 24 Sports is brought